Second laser tag attempt fail in the snow.
You should be happy and stop being so disappointed with everything.
It's wonderful. And you know it. Look at this, this is amazing.
I've come out as Minnie Mouse there.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Did a little pirouette with a camera?
I can't defend.
Yes. You're on Minnie Mouse with a bad back.
No, I'm just, there's so many layers on, I can't actually move.
It's alright, at least it's not as cold as some of the other days.
No. It's alright.
It's alright. It's a little bit slippery, so be careful.
James was like, why is it snow everywhere? Oh, from Egglestone.
Okay, it's Eddleston, mate.
Because you're in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Sorry, James. It's snowing
Again.
again.
And this is proper beautiful snow.
It's nothing. Oh,
Yeah.
you go.
Bend your knees. See where the salt is in the ground.
Yeah.
Gaps.
Imagine me wearing the other shoes in this.
Oh no, that'd be horrendous. You'd be sliding all over the place.
Oh, gosh.
That's a lot of gas. Is the protest going on?
Yes. I'm around in circles.
I'm glad James joined the videos. Yeah, from Starbucks. Oh, it's Picket line. Can't cross a Picket line. Go around.
Understaffing, lousy pay, that is how your coffee's made. Understaffing, lousy pay, that is how your coffee's made. Understaffing, lousy pay, that is how your coffee's made. Understaffing, lousy pay, that is how your coffee's made.
Welcome to New York.
Yeah.
Industrial action.
Fair enough.
Yeah? Oh, this is nice. The snow.
It's great.
When's the last time you've seen snow like this?
Oh, years.
Twice now.
Yeah.
Twice. You gonna try and make it across?
No.
Oh, we just get to go down here.
Yeah.